If you've been struggling to find your niche on YouTube, fear not. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 5 low-competition niches that are just waiting for someone like you to shine. So, grab your notepad and let's get started. Niche 1, Urban Gardening. First up, we have urban gardening. In recent years, urban gardening has gained significant traction as people become more conscious of sustainable living practices and seek to reconnect with nature despite living in urban environments. It's a niche that offers a blend of practicality and creativity. You can delve into topics like balcony gardening, where you'll provide tips for maximizing space and cultivating plants in limited areas. Vertical gardening is another fascinating aspect where you can explore innovative methods of growing plants vertically, ideal for those with minimal ground space. Additionally, you can share insights on urban composting, demonstrating how viewers can reduce waste and enrich their soil even in urban settings. Urban gardening not only offers a plethora of content ideas but also resonates with an audience passionate about sustainable living and urban beautification. Niche 2, Home Organization. Next on our list is home organization. In today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for ways to declutter and simplify their lives. Home organization is not only about tidying up physical spaces but also about creating a harmonious environment that promotes mental well-being. You can cover a wide range of topics within this niche, from closet makeovers to kitchen organization hacks. Dive into minimalist living and showcase how decluttering can lead to a more fulfilling lifestyle with less stress and more focus on what truly matters. Additionally, you can provide practical tips for maintaining an organized home, addressing common challenges faced by your audience. By sharing your expertise in home organization, you'll not only attract viewers seeking practical advice but also inspire them to transform their living spaces into havens of tranquility and productivity. Niche 3, Mental Health Awareness. Now, let's talk about mental health awareness. In today's fast-paced and often stressful world, mental health issues are becoming increasingly prevalent, yet there remains a stigma surrounding discussions about mental well-being. As a content creator in this niche, you have the opportunity to create a safe and supportive space for your viewers to explore their mental health journey. Share your own experiences, provide insights from mental health professionals, and offer practical coping strategies for managing stress, anxiety, and depression. By fostering open and honest conversations about mental health, you'll not only help reduce stigma but also provide valuable support to those in need. Your channel can become a beacon of hope and encouragement for individuals struggling with their mental health, offering a sense of community and belonging in their journey towards healing and self-discovery. Niche 4, Vintage Fashion. Host, moving on to something a bit more stylish, vintage fashion. With the rise of sustainable fashion and nostalgia-driven trends, vintage clothing has experienced a resurgence in popularity. As a content creator in this niche, you have the opportunity to celebrate the timeless appeal of vintage fashion while promoting sustainable consumption habits. Take your audience on a journey through different fashion eras, showcasing iconic styles and providing inspiration for incorporating vintage pieces into modern wardrobes. From thrift store hauls to styling tips for retro looks, there's no shortage of engaging content ideas in the world of vintage fashion. By sharing your passion for vintage clothing, you'll not only attract viewers interested in fashion history and sustainability but also contribute to a more conscious and ethical approach to fashion consumption. Niche 5, Pet Care. Last but certainly not least, we have pet care. Pets hold a special place in the hearts of millions of people around the world, and as a content creator in the pet care niche, you have the opportunity to provide valuable information and entertainment to pet owners everywhere. Whether you're sharing grooming tips, training advice, or heartwarming rescue stories, there's something for every pet lover on your channel. Dive into topics like nutrition, exercise, and mental stimulation to help viewers ensure the health and happiness of their furry friends. Additionally, you can showcase the unique bond between pets and their owners, sharing heartwarming moments that resonate with audiences of all ages. By creating content that celebrates the joy of pet ownership and provides practical advice for pet care, you'll not only attract viewers but also foster a sense of community among pet enthusiasts worldwide. Niche 6, Digital Nomad Lifestyle. Let's delve into the exciting world of the digital nomad lifestyle. With the increasing popularity of remote work and the rise of the gig economy, more people are embracing the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. As a content creator in this niche, you can share your experiences and expertise on topics such as location-independent careers, travel hacks, and tips for maintaining a work-life balance on the road. From sharing inspiring travel vlogs to providing practical advice on finding affordable accommodation and reliable Wi-Fi hotspots, there's no shortage of captivating content ideas in the digital nomad lifestyle niche.